Friends, damaged hair is a major issue that no one wants, but everyone is having in some way or another. And you too are doing so many things in your daily routine that damages your hair at such extent that you might not know of. So here in this video, I will tell you about all those things. And before we start our video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button because it is a great motivation for me to bring more amazing videos to you. Now let's continue. Starting from the first thing, that is you take extremely hot shower. Hot showers in the winter are very necessary and also relaxing, but excessively hot water showers can damage your hair and strip your hair from its natural oil and leave them dry and brittle. So cold water shower or warm shower are generally better for your hair. But still, if you bath with cold water in winter, then salute to your strength. Next is that you excessively use mechanical heating products on your hair. Mechanical heating products such as hair dryer, hair straightener and curler all use heat in some ways. Excessive use of these products on your hair causes your hair to be very dry and prone to breakage and eventually leads to hair fall. Next is that you use harmful chemicals on your hair excessively. Chemical products such as hair dyeing, hair gel, hair wax or perming can cause negative effect on your hair, causing thinning of your hair and also eventually lead to hair fall. Next is that you pull your hair through comb or brushes. Brushing and combing your hair is good to make your hair look good, but over pulling your hair can cause breakage, hair fall, and for males it leads to male pattern baldness. And in that only, you use metal combs or pointed combs. This could damage your scalp and cause hair fall and stop hair growth. Using a soft comb can be easy on your scalp and not damage it. Next is that you use sulfate containing shampoos. Doing shampoo on your hair is very important, but using wrong shampoo can damage your hair slowly. Long use of sulfate and parabens containing shampoo can cause skin irritation and increase risk of hair damage and hair fall over time. So make sure to check the ingredients before buying a new shampoo. So friends, that's all for this video. Please do like this video, comment below your opinions and share this video as much as possible, and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for latest update. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy and Jai Hind.